Coffee break muna, guys. Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel! Yay! For today's video, I'm gonna do a mini haul, which is my very first haul. And I bought stuff from Happy Skin, which is one of my favorite local makeup brands. And I bought these prior to the day I filmed this video. And I was supposed to buy these for my full face of Happy Skin, but you know what? Maybe I should make a haul about this. Okay, so let's jump right in. So the first thing that I have here in Happy Skin is the Second Skin Matte. It's the Serum Cushion Foundation with an SPF 15. I'm supposed to swatch this, guys, but I don't know where to put my microphone. Okay, I'll just set it here. So this is how it looks like. It has a minimalist aesthetic design, which I really love. So this is what it looks like, guys, underneath the cover. Okay, and let me swatch it for you guys. Okay, so this is the shade. I hope I bought the right shade for me. So let me swatch it. Okay. I guess I just bought the right shade. It seems lighter, but I'm quite acidic, so I think this is right for me. Next is this Happy Skin Second Skin Melting Cream Blush. I already have this melting cream blush, but in another shade, so I think it's the bronzing blush. Oh, look at that shade. I think it reminds me of that shade from the Pocket Blush from Rhode. Okay, so let me swatch it for you guys. So this is what the blush looks like on my skin. So I think this is good for morena skin. Well, I think this shade is also right for me, like this one, and I think this is good for, you know, beach vibes. Okay, next is this Happy Skin Second Skin Multitasking Serum Concealer. So just like this cushion foundation that I have kanina, this is also serum infused. This also has serum. So yeah, this is also a skin-caring makeup. And that means when you put your makeup on, it has less guilt. Because, girl, sometimes I feel guilty when I put a lot of makeup on my face. Especially that I have sensitive skin. So let me swatch it for you guys again. Okay, I'm so sorry. Let me swatch it for you guys. So yeah, this is a few shades lighter than my usual skin tone. And it doesn't have any fragrance at all, so I love. Okay, so the next is this Happy Skin Off Duty eyeshadow palette in Honeymoon Glow. So let me open it and swatch it for you guys. Girl, I love the color. I love the color! Oh my gosh! I love the color, guys. Okay, so let me swatch it for you. So I'll go with the matte first. So this is what it looks like. This one. If you guys can see it. Oh, it's subtle. Like that. And the lighter shade. So this is what it looks like on my skin. So for the shimmer, I'll just put it here. The pigment! Okay, so the next is the lighter shimmer eyeshadow. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Let me just adjust the light. I love the shimmer. Okay. Oh my, this might be my new go-to eyeshadow palette after this content. I love the shade. I love it. I so love it. Okay. Happy Skin. Wow, you're robbing my wallet. Okay, so next is this Happy Skin Holy Grail Micro Blade Pen. You know guys, the trend of today's eyebrow look is no longer the 2016 thick eyebrow look. It's already this bushy, natural, hair-like strokes kind of eyebrow look. So yeah, this is what it looks like. The tip is so fine that they can draw hair-like strokes. See? Chef's kiss, chef's kiss. I love you, Happy Skin. Okay, so the next thing is this Happy Skin Perfect Brows Eyebrow Pencil Duo. Well, I've had this one, Happy Skin Perfect Brows. But I had it in a different shade, which is the darker one. I forgot what name was that. I really want to switch it for you guys, so please let me take time to open this one because I think I'm having a hard time. Oof. Okay, so I finally unsealed this pencil. So it comes with a brush and the pencil. Okay, let me just swatch it for you guys. So the shade looks like that. It's actually not as creamy, but I think the size of the tip is already enough. So yeah. And of course, this budge proof gel liner. I'll never forget an eyeliner, guys. Like, eyeliner is life. However, I'm used to the liquid eyeliner pen. So I rarely use a gel liner or a kohl eyeliner, and it's been like a few months since the last time I've worn, and it's been months since I've worn a pencil eyeliner. So yun siya. I'm not gonna fully unseal this na lang. So this is what it looks like. Oh, unseal ko na siya completely. So this is what it looks like. So hindi siya fully black. It's brown. Okay, so it's brown pala. So let me swatch it for you. It's creamy. Ooh, it's gel-like. It's gel-like. Okay. Okay, I might use this often. Next is this Happy Skin Lip Jelly Dewy Gel Tint. This one. They just launched this recently. I think this was launched in late 2024 or mid 2024, I'm not sure. But I've always wanted to have this one, Happy Skin Lip Jelly. And well, what I really want is their lip primer and their shimmer topper. Pero parang this shade also caught my eye. Okay, so this is their consistency. This one. So it's quite thick for a tint, which I love because I'm really not into thin liquid lip tints. I'm more into this one. Girl, this is the consistency. This one. I love the thick consistency, guys. I'm so in love, okay? And it smells good. Thumbs up, 11 out of 10. And of course, this might be my new go-to. And the next is this Happy Skin Rescue Me Invisible Sun Gel Primer. Okay, let me just test the consistency for you guys and also the texture. Okay. So it has this mattified and gel-like texture. Okay siya. Nice. And of course, the last but not the least is this Happy Skin Rescue Me Cooling UV Sun Mist. Okay, this is perfect for reapplying sunscreen and you don't want to smudge your makeup because you reapplied your sunblock. So you can reapply your sunscreen just by spraying. Yeah. And you know what's even better? You can use this as a setting spray. Yeah. And it smells good. Yeah. It smells like melon. And that's it for this haul, guys. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And please subscribe to my channel and comment down below. And please click the notification bell. And thank you guys so much for your support. Bye. Thank you.